A video showing off what looks like an iPhone SE crossed with an iPhone X popped up Chinese blogging website Weibo and was picked up by the Japanese media earlier today. The device looks legit at first glance, featuring an SE style boxy design, little to no bezels on the side and bottom, an iPhone X style notch up top, and even a dual camera setup on the back. Even further, the device seems to be running the gesture based version of iOS that was introduced on the iPhone X last year. Everything from the animations to the settings menu, which is complete with an iCloud account tab, looks very convincing. It's something we don't usually see on Chinese knockoff devices. However, this still probably is not the real deal. Small details such as the lock icon remaining after the first unlock suggest that this may very well be an Android phone designed to look like concept images of the rumored iPhone SE2 that have been floating around online for quite some time. Apple actually has an SE2 in the works. In uncertain at this point, the phone has been long rumored, and there are believers out there who still thinks that we may see it this year. A successor to the SE is unveiled in 2018. All previous rumors suggest that it's not likely to adopt the iPhone X design language. Apple is expected to unveil 3 new iPhone models this year. An updated version of the X with a 5.8 display, a 6.5 iPhone X Plus, and a more budget option with a 6.1 LCD panel. And here we have some photos of the alleged iPhone SE2 sketches and iPhone SE2 glass and metal body.